Who's John? And what did he get up to last Thursday? Listen to me practicing my Gaelic, my Irish, and see if you can understand what he did. This is the third vlog in my series about our literary life. Ceardarinne John, Jardine Shokache. Hwy sé go Perth? Chun an tagrán is Janny de Westerly, a cheola. Bhí óráid a dhéanamh.
Amsterdam to evade French government censorship.
Cé an John seo? Is scríbhneoir é? Tá mé pósta le John le tríocha bliain anois. Agus cadé Westerly? Is Irish litera I Merla, ón Austral hir, dá bhrí sin fuair sí a hanam. Chus é Westerly I bhfad ó shin. 9 mbliana is seasca ó shin. Tá gearr scealta, dánta, ailte, léirmheasanna, cuimhní cín agus scealta gráfacha I Westerly. Is sé an tagar cháir é Daniel Jukes. Chuaigh mé le John go dtí an seáil. Bhí a lán daoine ann le rint scríbhneoirí dánta agus prós. Tag an Westerly amach cha uair sa bhliain. If you like hearing in Irish about our literary life together as a family of writers, check out earlier episodes and don't forget to subscribe so that you see the future vlogs as well.